culture right now is redefining the term courage as what is essentially conformity to the spirit of the age, and it is defining Christian conviction as evil before the conversation even begins. That's important as we understand what's going on in the world around us. We hear it over and over and over. It is considered brave to come out of the closet or to declare yourself trans or pan or whatever else you want to declare yourself as. But it's not bravery, because then you will be praised by the culture over and over and over. For most who do that, it is conformity. It is not bravery. It is not courage. What they mean by courage is Christians will disagree with you because they're evil. In our social media world, we mistake things like likes and shares for meaning and value and truth. We think we're speaking truth to power when we say something that everybody wants to hear anyway. Social media is rewiring our brains about what is true and right and good in this world. And let me say something here, friends, if I haven't pushed enough buttons already. Satan rewards Christians who change their minds. He rewards them. It's going to be easy. You're going to find friends you never knew you had. There are going to be people who praise you and you never knew who they were. But Satan knows how to reward Christians who change their mind away from the will of God and from the Word of God. Courage just means opposition.